Hey y'all, Miss Star back here on MissStarTv, but this time I'm going to use a full face of L.A. Colors Cosmetics to make a devilishly naughty type holiday makeup look. So if you'd like to see how I achieve it, then please keep watching. Okay, ahead of time I applied the L.A. Colors Face Primer all over my face. Then I applied L.A. Colors Lip Balm on my lips. After that, I used the L.A. Colors Auto Black Eyeliner to fill in my brows. Then I shaped them with a spoolie. After that, using a damp beauty sponge, I used the L.A. Colors Truly Matte Foundation and put it all over my face. After that, I put the L.A. Colors Press Powder in Nude all over my face using a powder puff. Now, let's get started on the eyes. Okay, for my eyes, I'm going to use the L.A. Colors Nude Glam Eyeshadow Palette in Smooth Jazz, taking the darkest gray shade in this packing brush, packing it into the creases of both of my eyes. Then I'm going to take this small blending brush in the lightest gray shade, fluffing it up all the way to my brows. After that, I'm going to take my big fluffy brush in the light white shiny shade and put it all over my eyelids, like this. Okay, now I'm going to use L.A. Colors Lash Building Mascara on both my top and bottom lashes. Then I'm going to use L.A. Colors Liquid Eyeliner to make sharp pointed cat eyes on both eyes, like this. Okay, now using L.A. Colors Lash Adhesive, I'm going to apply these 3D lashes in Devilishly. Then I'm going to use L.A. Colors Eyeshadow Palette in Moonflower as my highlighting and contouring, like this. Okay, now I'm going to use L.A. Colors Auto Lip Liner in Fiery Red to line my lips. Then I'm going to use L.A. Colors Lip Duo in Eternal Flame on my lips. Then I'm going to put on my wig, like this. Okay, thanks for watching. This was simple, easy, and fun. If you liked what you saw, click that like button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, click that subscribe button. If you have any questions, suggestions, concerns, or ideas, please put those in the comment section below, and we'll get to those as soon as we can. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok for behind the scenes and so much more. And you can become a big part of our MissStarTv family by supporting us on Patreon. Thanks so much, you guys. Bye.